Hi everyone and welcome. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree farmhouse kitchen or dining room decor DIY. With just $4 to $5 you can make yourself a Hobby Lobby inspired picture frame for your dining room or kitchen. First item that I picked up was at Dollar Tree, and I picked up this Dollar Tree placemat. As you can see, it has a real nice farmhouse look to it, and it's very neutral with the colors that I'm decorating this year. I'm using a piece of foam board from the Dollar Tree. This is just a piece of the big board you get. I'm also going to be using, you can use wood glue or regular tacky glue. This is also bought at the Dollar Tree. You will need an X-Acto knife. You will need some kind of stain or shoe polish. I'm going to be using black shoe polish. And I got these two at the Dollar Tree just the other day. And then a sponge to use your paint or brush. And then you will need 1 pack of tumbling tower game from the Dollar Tree. You get with this 36 pieces. And you'll be needing 28 pieces to do this project. You will need glue sticks and a glue gun. Okay? So let me show you the idea of what I have in my head. Remember guys, I do not do these DIYs prior to filming them to get the idea. I am filming this as I have it here in my head and what I think I can do with these pieces. Okay, so let me show you my idea of what I want to do with this, and let's see if it turns out. Okay guys, so this is the idea of what I'm wanting to do with the tumbling tower little wood pieces. So as you can see here, I did like a frame around the mat, not really using the size of the mat, but more coordinating all my squares to be able to be glued together and make like a frame. So I am going to glue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these blocks, and I will do 2 of them, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks, and I will also do 2 of those. So let me get busy gluing these down. Okay, so I'm just going to start with my glue gun. I'm going to be gluing down 6 of these, and then 8 of these. Okay, now that I've finished my 4 sticks here, all glued, I'm going to be using the black shoe polish to stain my wood pieces. I'm using a makeup sponge from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, I really like the color it turned out. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a real rustic, like grayish color. And I only did one coat, so yeah. I'm going to glue this one because it's kind of twisted. And I want it to be nice and straight. Okay, so now let's put this frame together. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, I think using this tacky glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue my placemat down to my board. I know I could have used spray adhesive, but guys, spray adhesive just doesn't work for me. Okay, so now I'm going to start assembling here my pieces. Just want to make sure everything is nice and even. Okay, so I think that's going to work out. Then I'll worry later about cutting around the edges. Just like all the pieces just fell into place. So now with my X-Acto knife, I'm just going to cut and trim around the board. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Oh my god, it just turned out so cute. You can put it up with command strips or do with twine a little thing here to hang it up. Okay, now let me show you where I'm going to hang up mine. Oh wow guys, just look at this. Look how gorgeous, look how rustic. Okay, and this cost me about $4. The placemat, the tumbling tower game. I had to buy the shoe polish because my shoe polish was a little old and I wanted some fresh one. And what else? Everything else I had on hand. So yeah, love that. I think it turned out really, really cute. Okay guys, so hint. Tell me if this would not be a beautiful Mother's Day Valentine's gift. It's something that you can make for $4 or $5 depending on what supplies you have available at home. Easy to make. And then you can sign it in the back and, you know, write a note to your mom saying how much you love and appreciate her and your signature and the date. I think this turned out adorable, guys. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you want to see what placemats are available at the Dollar Tree, I just did a Dollar Tree shop with me, and I showed a couple of different placemats that are available. Thank you so much, and we'll see you with more Fly Lady cleaning and decluttering videos as well. I just couldn't sleep last night, and I really wanted to get this DIY out to you at ASAP, because I just thought here in my head that it was going to be beautiful. And look, it did turn out beautiful. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.